Well, let's just move to this buzz in Delhi. Strong words from the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister there. But in Delhi today, the buzz was about Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi's speech at the FICCI Ladies Organization and his version of woman power. But forget elections, the campaign is well and truly online, with the Congress using the hashtag FEKU in response to Pappu CII, but the BJP online activists then converting it to FEKU for Rahul Gandhi.
Narendra Modi is trying to improve acceptability after his party president recently endorsed his popularity. Active corporate bodies over the last 1 week have raised the spectre of a Rahul Gandhi versus Narendra Modi presidential form of a contest. One man cannot deliver on the aspiration.
You're going to have the one guy who's going to come and he's going to fix everything. He's going to come on a horse. That's the model. That's the Indian model. He's going to come on a horse. Sun's going to be in the background. There's 1 billion people waiting. He's coming in and everything's going to be nice. No, it's not going to work like that.
In reply, Modi spoke about his rule, his solutions and a dig at Rahul Gandhi.
हमारे कांग्रेस के मित्रों ने जो गड्ढे किए हैं वो गड्ढे भरने का काम किया है।
अहमदाबाद में हमारे यहाँ एक जसू बहन के पिज्जा बहुत पॉपुलर है। आज क्या होगा? मीडिया के लोग अहमदाबाद जाएंगे, वो ढूंढेंगे ये जसू बहन भी वो कलावती जैसा तो नहीं है।
मैं उस व्यक्ति का नाम नहीं लेना चाहता जिसके नाम पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी में ही अभी तक कोई सहमति नहीं है।
The platform was offered by a corporate body, and Narendra Modi unleashed the politician in him to create and change his image. For long, he has been criticized for being a corporate darling, for favoring corporates. So, amidst an audience packed with women entrepreneurs, Narendra Modi presented the socialist in him, how he has worked for the Aam Aadmi, how he has promoted entrepreneurship among women, especially at the grassroots level.
मुझे फेसबुक पर और ट्विटर पर बहुत बड़ी मात्रा में आपसे जुड़ी हुई महिलाओं ने संपर्क किया। इतना ही नहीं, कई सारे सवाल भी पूछे और बहुत सारे सुझाव भी दिए, और इसलिए मुझे भाषण पे कोई ज्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ रहा है।
And today, after Narendra Modi's speech at FICCI, it was the battle of the hashtags. Hashtag Modi storms FICCI was trending for most of the morning until it seems that the Congress supporters got their act together and made hashtag FEKU the top trend worldwide for the next several hours, perhaps hijacking what has always been the sole roost of the right wing. I Am Musa tweeted, "Yes, we have decided to counter Narendra Modi and his APCO gang. Hashtag Team Congress will not keep quiet now. Hashtag FEKU is just a start."
So easy to make something trend on Twitter. You just need some organized activity with a critical mass. I've made stuff trend on Twitter. I wrote a blog post saying make this trend on Twitter, and people followed, and it trended for 2 days.
Last week, when Rahul Gandhi spoke, the social media was saturated with anti-Rahul rants and began flooding the India trends. Mocking Gandhi, a possible PM candidate with acerbic analogies bordering on malicious, even evoking Rahul's mother's Italian birth, this tweeter was worried at a point that the anti-Rahul trend was falling. "It has gone for a ride," he tweets. This one says he will have to get it back in the top 10. Right now it swings between the extremes of a Rahul and a Modi, or Pappu and a Chappan Chati if you like. Bureau Report, NDTV.